YouTube, what to do? Is your boy Humble Mally back again with another video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this with your people because we lit. Today, we're ready to have previewed it, watched it, whatever you do. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah.
Few moments later.
Golly. In the video, I ain't talk too much. I ain't know what to do for real. So just bear with me while I get used to recording and everything. So hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Share this with your people. Yeah.
Options. Please select one of the following options. Please insert cash, pay with credit card, or one of our other additional options.
Stupid dollar.
Thank you for your purchase.
Yes, sir. That look clean. Look at that. Oh, about to be clean. Oh. Should I do a Chrome delete? Tell me now. Chrome delete. Ah, I gotta take a picture. Oh, right there. The day we've been waiting for. You know, the day, the hour, the last minutes, the last seconds. Yeah, it's time for TINT. You know. Hopefully it goes well. Hopefully it goes like I want it. Yeah, so yeah, I'm here at levels. You know, I'm gonna talk to dude and make him say whatever he say if you don't want to be on, if you want to be on the camera and everything. Other than that, yeah, I'm here. Tried to get my brother to come, but he wasn't on it. Yeah, but I'm gonna show you the outside and everything, how it look now and before and after. Hope I like it. Hope I comment. Give me some more ideas. Anything else I should do. Yeah. Other than that, catch y'all later. Alright guys, this is the outside. I ain't gonna show you too much, but yeah, that like this. Yeah. This side right here. Oh, I can't. Ooh, I can't see it, but alright. This, you know, my baby. How she look? She look nice. She look good. Yes, you know, really be doing it. Yeah, sure. It's been 6 days since I got the tent. Well, yeah, 6 days, I think, yeah. Well, I'm gonna show you like before and after. I showed you outside how it was before and everything. I'm gonna show you what I got it on, like things. I like things I don't like, things he could have done better and everything. But other than that, dude, pretty cool. He do a good job and everything. Hopefully I'm looking at the camera right, cause you know I just got it. All right, I'll show you when I get out. All right, this is it. Here's one. I got my side markers. My other side markers. I don't know if I'm showing this right, but on this one, I don't know if you can see, but right here, I wish you would have did that one better. But if you start peeling or whatever, I just take it back to him. Other than that, and my baby is dirty. I wish I could like some like out the side. I don't know, I can't see at all. But here's try to get. Final product. Let me wash my own car. Saving $6. I could do it better than anybody else. Feel me? Feel me? Front view.
How you doing? Welcome to Levels Window Tint and Detail. We also do some vinyl works. We do tail light tint. We do window tint. We also do chrome deletes. We do full windshields. We do the side markers. Mainly, we're here for your window tint needs. But we also do detailing, interior as well as exterior, buffing, light scratches, some heavy scratches depending on how deep it is. Do ceramic coating. We do a lot. Any questions, concerns, or any questions you need, you can contact us at Instagram, which is _levels, LEVELZ _again. Or you can give us a call at 216-203-2307. Our address is 6442 Metro Court, Bedford, Ohio. Thanks.